I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. I think it's day 3. And you can see I'm in the garage because today I am going to be trying to do some DIYs for the front porch. So the next episode will be the front porch refresh for winter. I prefer to decorate for the season instead of for a specific holiday. Although the pillows I bought them last year and I don't think they are necessarily just winter. I think they are more specifically Christmas, but that's okay. It is what it is. We're going to try to still work with what we have. So today, what I want to try to do is put together some DIYs that will be for the front porch and go ahead and get those ready to go. I also want to try to use up some of the scrap wood that I have. So these will be kind of like scrap wood projects, at least 1 or 2 of them. So I think I found enough scrap wood to do the 2 projects that I need it for. And so I'm just going to take a little time now to process the wood. I need to cut it down and get it sanded and get it prepped and ready for the next step. This is too chunky. I really need 3/4 inch. Why don't I cut down thinner wood? I don't need a 2x4. Use something like this. We have 2 lanterns here, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with the result. Obviously they're not finished yet, but I do have a plan on how to finish it. So leave a comment and let me know how you would finish these lanterns. Like, what would you do to them? They were originally both going to go on my front porch, but I also had a plan yesterday to make 2 smaller ones so that one would be larger and one smaller, because I do want to put 2 in my den as well. That was kind of the original plan. I was going to do the 2 large ones on the porch and do 2 smaller ones for the den. But now that I'm looking at them, I think I want to go ahead and do the 2 small ones as well, so I can stagger them. So I'll have a large one and a small one on the porch and also in the den. So let me know how you would finish these. I'm wondering if you would do the same thing that I'm planning to do. Also, let me say that I got way too ambitious in my planning for yesterday. So I have this like to-do list of things that I need to do, as well as the plans for the things that I wanted to build for the front porch. And there were like 3 or 4 things. I made 2 lanterns. And so this Vlogmas experience is definitely a learning process for me. I'm having to really kind of scale back what I'm trying to do in one day, because with the schedule that I set for myself, I'm hoping to post every other day. So that means that I have a day that I can film, and then I need to edit that footage and get it live for the next scheduled post. And I may have to give myself some grace because, you know, this is the weekend and I was hoping to really do a lot of filming, but I made 2 lanterns and this took me 4 or 5 hours because I was trying to figure out the process. I don't think the smaller ones will take me as long because I built these, and so now I know what to do. But the figuring out part takes a long time for me because I really have to process and think through what's the next step and what's the, like, how to pull it together. So I'm happy with the result. I still need to finish them. But again, leave a comment and let me know what you would do. And I am going to get ready for the next video. So I will catch you guys in a couple of days.